Alright, Charlie the Handyman back again. Got a little quick video for you today. We're going to hang a TV. I got this mount from Wally World. Also TV, Wally World. Walmart video. This is an easy DIY. If you own a home, you should be able to hang a TV. Simple tools. Follow along. I'll teach you a thing or two. Let's go. Right out the gate. It doesn't matter if you have a mount. They all have instructions. They're all pretty simple. Figure out which one fits your TV. And then pay attention, because even I, the all-powerful Charlie the Handyman, make mistakes. Look at that's supposed to point up. It doesn't. Fix it. Get yourself a stud finder. Touch yourself. Say, stud found. We get it. Not that funny anymore. Found the stud. Test it out with a drywall screw, just to be sure. Don't want the TV falling off the wall. Here we are, just measuring to make sure that the TV is going to land where we want it. Double check that there's a stud. Beep, 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 beep. Here we go. Now you're going to check your mount. Mark your holes on that stud line. Drill them out just to make extra sure you've hit the stud. Now you're going to get out your condom roll of screws. TikTok special right here. This is probably the best thing I ever bought off the shop. I'll maybe put a link in the description. I don't know if they even have it, but they work pretty good. Here we are. We're just going to screw our screws into the screw holes that we have previously marked. Voila. Don't rip them all the way in, because you're going to want to make sure your mount is level or your TV will be crooked. Nobody wants a crooked TV. See, not totally tight yet. How about that adjustment? Check the bubble. Once the bubble has arrived at the center, tighten it. Simple stuff here. But thanks for watching. If you enjoy my content, hit that subscribe button. I'll keep shooting out bangers every week. But now, since everything is nice and straight, we're tightening it up. Tightening it up. Oh, but we didn't see a mistake. Missed a hole there. Had the mount upside down. Always double check everything. Struggle is real right here. 300 pounds, holding no problem. TV weighs maybe 15. Now let's put the TV on the mount. One bolt. Look at that. Production quality there. We got lights. We got cameras. TVs are light enough. You just carry it yourself. Stick the bolt in the hole on the mount. Tighten her up. Grab the good old power cord. Maybe. Could we pick up the pace? Put a little urgency here. The people will leave. Attention spans are nothing nowadays. That might have cost me some viewers right there. That fumble of the cord. Oh my god, now he's not even plugging it in right? Jesus. Who is this guy? Alright, back it up. Show it works. We'll move on. There she's on. It works. It's mounted. And there you have it. She's up. She's mounted. She's beautiful. She swivels. She goes wherever you want. I don't know why it's a she. Maybe it's a they them. But it's on the wall. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. Job done.